Here's a 1964 Chevy Impala two-door hardtop. It's pretty unusual in that you don't see a bench seat version of this car very often. 327. Power steering. Nice maroon paint. Looks like wire wheel covers. Happens to be for sale, but this video was taken some time ago. Interior looks nice. It's cloth. There's the bench seat and 3-speed manual transmission. It looks pretty original. And the owner's going to open up the trunk to get a look at that. There we go, he's opening the trunk now. It's a big trunk, there's a lot of stuff here, so you can't really see all of it. There's a deep well there. Looks like a nice car.